And with that, let's get to Emily Wilkins in Washington with the latest, Emily, on the Senate version of the bill, what's in it and how folks are reacting.
Hey, Sarah. Well, at this point, the reaction hasn't been all positive. I mean, the Senate version of this multi-trillion tax bill, it just dropped yesterday, and it is already in trouble with both House and Senate Republicans raising concerns about some of the provisions. Some, like Senator Josh Hawley, he's concerned with some of the cuts to Medicaid that are in the bill, specifically limiting that provider tax that states can charge to health care providers. The Senate is much stricter than the House on that. Others are concerned about the overall cost, and that includes Senator Ron Johnson, who said this morning on CNBC that more spending cuts are going to be needed.
They talked about the only numbers that count are 218 and 51. Again, that's not the type of goal setting we need when we're $37 trillion in debt on the road.
The Senate measure makes dozens of tweaks to the House bill, and that includes making key tax breaks for businesses permanent, including on measures like research and experimenting, faster depreciation, and deducting interest. It also slows down the phase out of clean energy tax credits compared to what was in the House bill. So things are a little bit better for solar and wind, although not as good as it would have been before these policies were proposed. And the Senate bill also would blunt the impact of that so-called revenge tax on foreign countries and investors, giving countries more time to potentially negotiate something with the U.S. Now, the text that Senate Republicans leased did not contain a final proposal for that state and local deduction cap. Senators have said, though, it will be lower than that $40,000 proposed by the House, and that has provoked a group of Republican House members from high-tax states to threaten to sink the Senate bill if it even goes $1 under that agreed-upon $40,000 cap. Congress is going to need to move quickly if they want to finish this by July 4th. And Sarah will be keeping a very close eye on what the next steps are going to be and how senators react when they meet today.